Welcome to the Freddy Fazbear Animatronic Maintenance Video Tutorial. The purpose of this video is to act as a visual guide for cleaning and repairing the animatronic characters in your establishment. Although this tutorial will work with just about any character, for the purpose of this video we will be using Freddy Fazbear himself, one of the more complex characters from a technical standpoint. With all of that out of the way, let's get started. This tutorial picks up from the point where the character has been moved into the parts and service room, or backstage, as it is called in some restaurants, and is idling on the workbench. To start off, you will need to set the character into maintenance mode. For Freddy and Bonnie, you can easily do this by gently pulling on their bow tie to release the stomach from the torso piece, exposing the chest cavity. For characters like Chica and Foxy, you will need to either open the torso from the back or remove the torso piece entirely to gain access to the internal workings, whichever method works best for you. Once the chest cavity is exposed, you will need to be cautious of Freddy's safety latch, which protects vital components in the animatronic. There should be a button in the center on Freddy's spine which deactivates the safety latch and sets the character into maintenance mode. Coming into contact with the safety latch may result in undesirable consequences for both you and Freddy, so you will need to make sure not to touch it when pushing the button. Once the button has been pushed, the safety latch will retract and the character will now be in maintenance mode. You can make sure of this by checking the light on the music box. If it is green, then the character is in maintenance mode and it is safe to remove the music box. While you are here, this is also a good time to check the pressure gauge on your character. If it needs adjusting, then you can easily do so by turning the red knobs on the left side of the chest cavity. We will now move on to fixing character movements, the facial area, in particular. You can start by removing the head.